Well, we are right around the corner from Diddy's sentencing. It will be October the 3rd. That is tomorrow at 10 a.m. I have an update as to everything going on with him, including his request to speak with the judge. Let's get into some pop culture news for today. Hit the follow button so you don't miss out on breaking news. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. So his sentencing is going to be tomorrow, October the 3rd at 10 a.m. I'll definitely be there. I will be bringing you guys live updates, so make sure that you are following. Now, in reference to Diddy's case, there were a few things still up in the air, believe it or not, even though his sentencing is so close. One thing is that he was requesting to either have an acquittal or a new trial because his lawyers were saying that what he was convicted of was not reasonable. The judge said that he would consider it and get back to us. Well, we have that decision now. Judge Arun has declined Diddy's request for an acquittal and also declined his request for a new trial. It was a 16-page document, and basically he was just saying a jury of your peers have found you guilty, and I'm going to go ahead and go with that, which is what I told you guys would happen on my live this week because there were no extenuating circumstances that would warrant his convictions being thrown out. Certainly not for him to get a brand new trial. Now, Diddy has submitted a request saying that he would like the opportunity to speak to the judge before the sentencing is delivered. This is essentially like seems like going to be some sort of plea for leniency or kind of speaking towards learning his lesson, etc. The judge has approved that. So that means that we can expect to hear from him tomorrow in court. He tried this exact same thing when he was found guilty. He tried to speak with the judge at that time, and the judge denied that particular approach. Now, I told you guys character letters had been submitted. Last week, we read the letter on live that Young Miami had submitted for Sean Combs requesting leniency. They're currently dragging her on Twitter for that. Well, there's been another late submission in regards to Diddy. None other than victim number 3, Gina herself, has submitted a letter to the judge asking that Diddy be released to his family. This is Gina right here. Now, you guys remember Gina was supposed to come to testify against Sean Combs as victim number 3. She never showed up. They proceeded without her. Now, in her letter, she says a few interesting things. She says she cooperated with the prosecutors, gave them all the evidence that they wanted, videos, text messages, etc. She says, I felt pressured to feel like a victim. I told them I was not, but they insisted I was, even when I expressed my truth otherwise. So it's a 3 paragraph letter, but she's asking the judge to please release Diddy to his family. Now, I want to know what you guys think with Gina speaking out on behalf of Diddy. His request to speak directly to the judge ahead of sentencing. Don't forget, the prosecutors are asking for just over 11 years with a $500,000 fine, whereas Diddy's legal team is asking for no more than 14 months. He has already been in jail for 13 months, so essentially he would be released rather quickly, if not immediately, if